Hi, I'm hairstylist Demisha Webster at Mariah Dior Salon. I'm going to show you how to section your hair for braids. This is going to give you a nice, neat appearance with clean partings. You're going to take a small tooth comb with a metal end is great, and you start off and part the hair from the beginning to the end of where you want the part to end, or the braid to end. So we're just going to do a straight back part. Separating the hair where you want the cornrow or the braid to be at, and moving the rest of the hair out of the way. You can use butterfly clips to keep the hair out of the way in small sections so you have room to work. Now you have nice clean partings and you're ready to complete a full head of braids.